Welcome to working with datasets. Datasets are used across the system to generate reports, run processes, select information you want to view and work with, determine communication recipients, tailor content, and more. Jenzabar delivers commonly used datasets with the system. Your IT administrator can also create custom ones using InfoMaker and SQL queries as well as source code, for example, contact lists. All these Jenzabar provided and custom datasets can be managed from a centralized location, the Datasets page. From the Datasets page, the IT administrator can control access to the datasets. They can upload queries and select sources to create new datasets. They can also view and download query syntax. Questions?
Are datasets the same thing as queries in desktop?
Not entirely. Desktop only uses InfoMaker queries. Datasets in Jenzabar OneWeb can not only be created from InfoMaker, but can also come from SQL queries and source codes.
Desktop provides queries for us. Does Jenzabar OneWeb provide datasets?
Yes, just like desktop, Jenzabar provides commonly used datasets for Jenzabar OneWeb. We'll provide more and more datasets with each release, so be sure to check in.
What about our customized desktop queries? Can those be used in Jenzabar OneWeb?
Yes, your IT administrator can upload them into the system and ensure you belong to a role with access to them. They may need to make some modifications to get the columns the system expects. While an IT administrator creates and manages datasets, they can be used by anyone in the system with the appropriate permissions. If you don't see datasets you need, work with your IT staff to get them created. Here's a few ways datasets are being used by our clients.
One way we use datasets is to determine who will receive a communication. Our student majors dataset includes student names, years, and majors, so we can send emails to first years majoring in science.
We like to personalize our communications, so we use the first name placeholder that gets replaced with the individual's first name when notifications and emails go out.
I created unique data sets that different offices can select to see the information they need about individuals in the system. For example, our registrars can see information about enrollment and holds, while HR can see information about benefits.
I have to keep up with courses, so I worked with our IT staff to create a custom content block that uses a data set to show a list of courses that I can sort and search.
Datasets are powerful tools that let you leverage the information in your database in lots of different ways. If you have feedback for us, be sure to use the Ideas portal on MyJenzabar.